Hello, welcome to episode 3 of the Professional Scoop. Today, I'll be discussing how to be a better leader. Who is a leader? A leader is someone who strives for excellence, doing their best, and achieving results by motivating and rallying others to achieve a common goal. Take a look at some of the traits that a good leader should have. What are the four pillars of leadership? You should be able to empower people, inspire people, lead change, and of course, ensure that there is a shared vision. So, how do you empower people? You do so by clearly outlining each task, stating what is required and what are your expectations. A good leader can inspire by having a can do attitude, regularly checking for understanding, having meetings to share ideas and to solicit feedback. You lead by being hands on, demonstrating your competence and your ability to collaborate. You want to be an influencer. You want to be innovative. You want to be able to effect change seamlessly. Now, let's take a look at some of the things you should not do as a leader. You do not want to come off as always being in charge. An open door policy is best. Do not portray like you know everything. It's okay to get, suggestions and ideas from your team members. Do not neglect training and development, as ongoing training and education of employees is important to overall business success. Do not set unrealistic and unclear, expectations or goals. This will certainly, frustrate your team. And do not compare yourself to previous leaders. We all have different personalities, and what worked for one leader won't necessarily work for another. I hope you found these tips to be helpful and that you will go out there and be the best leader that you can possibly be. On my next episode, I'll be looking at keeping your team motivated and engaged. See you then. Remember to like and subscribe.